In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your refund in Turbotax in just 5 minutes. Whether you're eagerly awaiting your tax refund or just want to ensure everything is on track, this guide will help you navigate Turbotax with ease. Let's get started by visiting the Turbotax official site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Turbotax's official website. You can find this by simply searching Turbotax on your favorite search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once on the homepage, your first task is to locate the Sign In button. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your login details. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it right there. Logging in will give you access to your personal tax dashboard. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage and view your tax-related activities. Now, to find out more specific details about your refund, look for the Tax Home section. Clicking on this takes you closer to the information you're looking for. Next, navigate to the section labelled Your Account. This area contains personal account details and tax activity related to your account. You might need to scroll down a bit, but take your time to click on View Order Summary. This step is crucial as it's where you'll start seeing the details of your order, including refunds. Once you click on View Order Summary, look for the section titled Order Summary. Here you can find details about your transactions with TurboTax, including charges for any products you may have purchased along with any refund information. This is the section where you can confirm everything is as it should be. If at any point in the process you feel uncertain or need additional support, TurboTax usually has help sections or chat support options available on the website. Taking advantage of these can be invaluable for troubleshooting or clarifying any doubts about the tracking process. Additionally, keep your eyes peeled for any email updates from TurboTax mentioning the status of your refund, as these can sometimes provide direct links or instructions for specific actions you may need to take. By following these steps, you should now be equipped to effectively track your refund through TurboTax, ensuring you're up to date with your tax return status. Keeping track of this process is important, as it not only offers peace of mind but also ensures you're prepared for any actions needed once your refund is processed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.